Madrid Jimmy Kwan Crombe Faswa or Medford in the Juma.
Okay.
And over the last years in Hunter, Madrid, they lose 2 big players in their midfield.
Okay.
Luka Modric is leaving, and Toni Kroos is already gone.
Okay.
Now Madrid ain't any personality.
Okay.
So Madrid are in the market to get a midfielder.
Okay.
And the midfielder, one criteria is a midfielder who can replace Toni Kroos and Luka Modric at the same time.
Okay.
So we are talking about an orthodox number 8.
Okay.
I bet me abo as a number 10 at the same time because Modric is number 10.
Okay.
Toni Kroos is number 8.
Okay.
80 say almost per player bet me replace these 2 players at the same time. They want to find all these qualities in one player.
Okay.
And it's not market. Secondly, midfielder okita weight no charisma. Or you can be a charisma pulley crowd.
Okay.
And midfielder bet me pulley nipa. Any midfielder ni muye do.
Okay.
Our midfielder coming. We can all say Jude Bellingham is in that midfield. Kamavinga is in that midfield. Tchouaméni is in that midfield. Kwame, no cross them say all these players wait and do Toni Kroos no Luka Modric wait maybe. Okay. They have the weight. They might have the kind of media backing the PR now.
Okay.
But Kwame, on the real grounds, Luka Modric and Toni Kroos kind of weight. Anyhow, I'm charisma and Kwame. Madrid current midfielders maybe him.
Okay.
So they want a midfielder like that, and Kwame, a midfielder who can lead the midfield.
Okay.
So these 3 criteria, and Madrid Edia Kwakofa in the midfielders Edia Kwame. The first point, Madrid, the first player Madrid 4 years or more than Enzo Fernández.
Okay.
And Chelsea 4 year open, but Chelsea 4 came to tell us the boy is not for sale.
Okay.
Because almost the midfield of Kopama, Enzo Fernández, and Caicedo as an elite midfielders.
Okay.
So they are not selling him. Now, Alexis Mac Allister.
Okay.
Liverpool.
Okay.
Madrid for enquiries over the week say Omunya Mac Allister and Gomope.
Okay.
But Liverpool for say they can't block the move. But okay, there's £100 million a year before Mac Allister Fanico.
Okay.
But Madrid for say it is too much.
Okay.
They can't by Mac Allister. Kwame. Now, a brand here friend Rodrigo Cascante Hernandez. A player Madrid that didn't check and Kwame. Among all these names, I'm a bono. And Rodrigo Cascante the preferred profile and Madrid ebe here.
Okay.
But Kwame, you never to catch yourself. Rodrigo Cascante no. And easy say Madrid Man City beje no makoda.
Okay.
Because he is the current world best player.
Okay.
And omoni be bomb once have look, the current world best player plays in our team.
Okay.
And dia Man City ebe gen mo simple say omon fa no Kwame. There is a new name on the block.
Okay.
Now among for Becca say probably on your name or your 2 week back Kwame. So per leader in the midfield,
okay,
in performance, field of play there, then Victor Mercado Ferreira is that guy.
Okay.
On him, and the perfect fit for this Madrid midfield is Pedri.
Okay.
But he didn't say, not even in another world,
okay,
would Barcelona allow Pedri to join Real Madrid? So now, come Nipa Madrid for them and Yasha air boni DM Victor Mercado Ferreira, Vitinha,
okay,
of Paris Saint-Germain. Coming. An orthodox number 8 who have defensive instinct, a very good passer of the ball, and a very good controller of the midfield.
Okay.
So people me control midfield. I a good passer. I say a good in defensive there. Then it means he say he can lead the midfield.
Okay.
It is Vitinha did Abem say Madrid for some Kwame. Vitinha did 25 years. Or 20 PS 30th June 2022.
Okay.
It is 3 years one Augusto Alqui. And Kwame. In 144 games in general for both and Paris Saint-Germain, 18 goals, 10 assists,
okay,
28 goals contribution, and a branch FN Vitinha Ekita.
Okay.
Kwame. Now, Vitinha, Madrid for the Omonia Bundiamu. Paris Saint-Germain, so any one is on Mobetono. But Kwame, the fact is that every player is for sale at the right price.
Okay.
Price, unless set team now a woman person better on at this point in time. Oh yeah, Luis Enrique, would you lose Vitinha to Real Madrid?
Question.
That is the question.
Yeah.
And oh yeah, Vitinha You have all the freedom. Now you have the PSG.
Okay.
Yeah, one of the players he's mentioned in France and in PSG. Vitinha, because on the ability to control the midfield of Paris Saint-Germain. Vitinha is 25 years. So now, conversation I shall say corner side say.
Okay.
But Madrid in your Vitinha mope. See now coming. Yan share the ABC on that side.
Okay.
Now yan say. Bobo Kua, your friend of Madrid, ebetimi akwa na bakwa me see Vitinha na open na. But tia be 80 plus.
80 plus.
E dey ama Vitinha.
Ade ba ko an Madrid dey ko player bi hu a. Aya na mimi hu ni so mu di agro nse. Madrid dey nya na adwen so won okoti 100 million pounds. E dey akoto player wo. Okoti 120 akoto. What that thing they won't do it. Eno ni ade ba ko aya na ha adwen no. They won't do it. Eno ni problem pe a omo wo sisi a.
Kwame Vitinha is the new man Madrid for the Ashasi say umbetime nya na name say beye na Paris Saint-Germain so beji atuma ma abrate Vitinha akodo kwabe
Ebrenin Krabia
na be che.
Okay.
Kwame Bruno Miguel Borges Fernandes.
Okay.
I captain Mabo Kwefan Manchester United. It's been 5 years of Bruno Fernandes being the Manchester United best.
Okay.
I say we are say for the past 5 years.
Oma saying United player of the
what I say? Player be anyone what ball for the past 5 years than Bruno Fernandes for Manchester United team. And Timeka say he has carried Manchester United on his shoulders for solid 5 years.
Okay.
On Jan to ho. Kwame say Bruno Fernandes every ball go from the Manchester United ne. Wallahi ka relegation beba. Because baby I know what they. Ka Bruno ni ma. Kwame.
Ebi only one ka obi so be fa mantle.
Kwame say Siano. I don't see any player here in Manchester United setup. Bruno Fernandes.
Okay,
Kwame, it is no secret say Bruno Fernandes is the best at Manchester United. A total of 266 games, 88 goals, 64 assists.
Okay.
In 5 years, Bruno Fernandes, the numbers speak for itself.
Okay.
It is because of longevity.
Okay.
And I made choose Kevin De Bruyne ahead of Bruno Fernandes.
Okay.
But Kwame numbers and stats. Kevin De Bruyne cried himself. Bruno our numbers seen.
Okay.
Kwame. Again, Abba. Yakubo Europa League final.
Okay.
Manchester United couldn't win the game. You want to get trophy.
Okay.
And no Baba say Bruno Fernandes in the 5 years I was bringing an A2 trophies.
Okay.
EFL Bako, FA Cup Bako, and a Kitano. But if your performance and numbers that Bruno Fernandes added man are coming, and then EFL, FA